See now these two pieces. I have these two green pieces in red layer and these two red pieces in green layer. And now I'm not able to match these three pieces together. These two red pieces and this one piece together. So we would use this trick that move these two pieces on top of this piece, means they should be on same vertical layer. Then move it to top. Bring this piece at this position. Now undo it to small r prime. Now see, I can match it like this and bring it like this.